Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the 16th video in the series. And we got another little Walmart tool haul this time. Hyper Tough. I needed one of them little magnetic trays, so got this one, a little Hyper Tough one. With magnet in the back. Works pretty good. That. And it was $4.64. And I needed a little tool bag. So we got this one. And it's got pockets inside and around. Seems like it's pretty tough. Can't lose that receipt, I need it. Let's get back in there. Pockets outside. Pretty tough material. I don't know how tough that zipper is, but that'd be alright for what I need. Handles. Got a shoulder strap somewhere. There it is. There it is. So, and it was $17.87. So that's not bad at all. That's a pretty good price for the two things. And I'll probably get some more of these trays. That's a good price for them. $4.60 something. You can't beat that. So, all right. That's our little Walmart haul for this week. Hope you liked it. That's a pretty nice little tool bag. I don't need another one of them right now though. Maybe later. Alright, thanks for watching.